Hey there mga my loves Aquarius! Thank you so much. Patuloy at wala po ninyong sawa na pagsuporta sa akin dito sa channel na to. Hi and hello new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. Welcome, welcome. At sa mga returning subscribers, maraming thank you sa inyong lahat no, for being here with me. Yan, at sana naging happy kayong lahat no sa pagsalubong ng Christmas at New Year. So yun nga no, Happy New Year Aquarius! So thank you so much mga babes no. So, wala tayong gender dito, okay? So, babae, lalaki, LGBT cross-watchers, okay, you can flip roles if you want. Yan, no? And just take only what resonates with you, guys. And, ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's get into your reading. So, Skirting Angel, guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. What messages we have here for my, I was about to say Sagittarius, okay? So, maybe you're dealing with Sagittarius right here. Okay, but doesn't have to be. Let's see. Spirits and Angel, guys. If hindi kayo dealing with Sagittarius, okay lang mga babes, no? Maaring meron lang mga energies rito na dealing with Sagi. Tell me something about my Aquarius. What does Aquarius needs to know? Aquarius. Aquarius, nakikita ko rito, no, na kung meron kang ex na medyo palikero or palikera. Like, ex mo na, no? Wala nang kayo, hindi na kayo ngayon, no? Nagtapos na ang inyong relationship na on and off. Na nakikita ko siyang magbabalik ulit, magpaparamdam siya sa'yo. At nakikita ko na napaka-short lang nun. Like, literally pwedeng hi, hello, or kamusta, ganun, no? So, di ba? Yung dating kabuti ay kabuti pa rin. Nagpaparamdam siya ngayon rito na parang kala mo hindi siya on and off, na parang switch ng ilaw dati. So, yun. No? Hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? Nakuha ko kasi yun. No? So, maaaring meron ditong mga nakadil nun dati sa mga ganyang klase ng mga player energy. No? Paparamdam yan sa'yo. Ngayong 2024. So, you do have here the King of Pentacles energy. Something's changing in your money. You could be feeling that your money is coming in slow right now, Aquarius, but it's changing. Okay? Nakikita ko dito na magbabago, no? Yung parang feeling mo, ay, ba't ganun? Hindi ako nakakaipon ng marami. Parang, ay, ganun, ba't ganun? Parang, hindi pa rin ako napapansin ng boss ko rito sa kumpanya. Tagal ko lang nandito, ilang years na ako nandito. Hindi pa rin ako napapansin, hindi pa rin nare-recognize yung work ko. Yan, no? May ganun ka. Parang feeling mo, slow moving yung pera sa'yo or may kinalaman sa trabaho or business, mga ganyan. Okay? Kita ko rito. Pero, fret not, mga babes. Because with the hermit right here, nakita ko, no, na meron ditong bagay, no, na parang, alam mo yun, magbubukas ng daan, kaliwanagan, no, ng may kinalaman rito sa pera. Ilatagyan muna natin lahat, no. Yeah, see? Told ya, guys. Boom! This is what I'm talking about. Because itong feeling mo na slow ang money sa'yo, you've got the jackpot! You're hitting the jackpot once again, mga my loves Aquarius right here, 10 of coins energy. That's a big sum of money. And you are going to step into this type of energy wherein yun nga yun, no? Alam mo kasi, ito kasing tangan-tangan na to, ni the Hermit, no, ay isang star. Yan. Ano ba yan? Star sa loob ng lampara na yan, Aquarius. So, ibig sabihin, no, there is some kind of a wish na gusto ng heart mo. Okay? And I do sense that it has something to do with your financial stability. Okay? Whether that's work, business, or you are having both. Nakita ko rito na feeling mo, hindi ka nakakaipon ng mas malaki, or feeling mo, same pa rin yung kinikita mo, or feeling mo yung income mo still not ascending or what. It's changing, it's about to change. Nakikita ko maliliwanagan dito, no? Yung, what's this? Yung mga connecting energies sa'yo, no? Kasama dun yung makikita, dito makikita na ng boss mo, ng management, na kumpanya, no? Yung work mo. Basta yun nga, no? I'm getting that, don't give up, just continue doing it, what you're doing. Kasi nakikita kong papansin ka na, yan, no? Ito na yun, tuloy-tuloy na to. 10 of Coins energy. Definitely. I'm seeing you building something here, like a foundation, no, sa trabaho na yan. Isang higher level of designation. positions. Yung iba, nakikita ko dito if you're owning here a business, I can see expansion. I can see you attracting a lot of potential customers, buyers, consumers, might be franchises, di ba? So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing that everything is changing here when it comes to your money. It might be slow progress right now, but okay, mayroon dyan changes. Just malaki, di ba? O, opportunity. Yung hawak mo dyan, mga mahal, ayun, ang laki oportunidad rito, no, na makapagsimula ka ng bagong buhay. Wala dyan bahay, no, pero may isang arko. Ayan, no, ibig sabihin, no, this is a fresh new start, no, na pwede ka dyan talaga makabili dito ng mga malalaki yung amount like bahay at lupa, kotse if you want. Or you could buy right here building, okay, pang business. Or pwedeng magpaupahan ka, no? Patayo ka rito ng mga paupahan or whatever, okay? So whatever the case, maybe I'm seeing you buying something here, which is I do see na investment ang magiging tawag mo dyan. Yan. So I don't know who are those energies I'm talking to right now, but you might prepare yourself, mga mahal Aquarius. Kasi this is something here that your heart desires. It's already inside your heart, from the bottom of your heart. No, nakakita ko ng balon right here, no, sa aking vision. That's your wish, no, na nakalagay dun sa pinakadulo, pinakailalim ng balon, no. At yun na nga, no, alam mo yung balon, di ba? Alam mo yung parang timba na katali, no, binababa mo, no. Paghugot mo ngayon ng balon dun, pag-akyat mo, nandun yung star. Makukuha mo, marireceive mo, mahahawakan mo, wish coming true. Wow. Yeah. I'm seeing that we have here the Hermit being clarified by the major arcana, judgment right here. Definitely, this is a big decision right here. And the decision is sinabi ko na kanina. Your spirits and angel guides are telling you that you need to realize that whatever it is that you patiently waited all your life, this wish that you patiently waited to happen up until now is about to happen now in the 3D world. But you need to do something. You need to make a decision right here. Yan na, nag-aanunsyo, nagtotorotot na. This new year, right here, your angels and guardians wants you to pagpatuloy, ano man yung ginagawa mo na yan, huwag kang mag-self-doubt para mas mahatak mo ng mas mabilis, no? Kasi malalim ang balon, mga mahal, no? Pull that string, no? Huwag kang mangalay, tuloy-tuloy lang, no? Your wish is here. Wish, you've got this ace to the 10 of coins energy. So are you just kidding me? Great news coming! May kinalaman sa inyong magbabago yung buhay nyo rito. Hindi ko na kung sino mga kinakausap ko rito. Pero ang ganda guys, no? Sobra. I love it. Okay? Ito na yun, no? Like, ito na yun na nakikita ko rito na parang magiging emotional ka dyan, mapapaluhod ka. Like, hindi mo inaasahan. This will comes in just perfect sa pagsisimula mo, no, ng panibagong buhay mo this 2024. I don't know where this money will come from. Pwedeng sa business mo yan, mag-grow. Pwede naman na may trabaho ka, nakikita ko yan. This will come unexpectedly. So, more chances, more winning. Kaya naman, no, if you're resonating here in this reading, no, try your luck as well, no. Sumali kayo sa mga parapol, pa-promo dyan, no, ng mga SM Supermalls na hindi po ako nagpo-promote sa kanila. I'm just saying, okay, that if there is a chance na lumabas, it's yours. Claim it, it's yours. Don't doubt it, it's yours. Okay, ganun yun. Okay? So, yeah, nakikita ko dito that it's a big sum amount of money, mahal. Okay? Okay, so nakita ko dito that grab every opportunities and continue doing what you're doing talaga. And we have here this Four of Swords energy. See? This is a long time coming, but it's here now, no? This is my Yan, no? Victory. Kala niyo 21, no? Yeah, 21. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 is the powerful number of balance. Your life will be in a state of balance right here. A lot of winning. Di ba kakasabi ko lang? Okay? More chances of winning. This is winning. You are wearing the wreath. Okay? Sinasalubong ka rito ng mga tao. They will recognize here your job, your work, your boss, your management, your career. Okay? Your people under you. You're owning a business right here. Your clients, customers, buyers, everybody. Okay? Everybody around you will recognize your worth. And there's a lot of healing. There's a lot of this is definitely healing, no, kung ano yung feeling mo na missing sa life mo, mapupulfill na yan lahat. Okay? If you want love, I'm also seeing love coming towards you guys. Okay? And what I love about this one is with the Six of Coins energy and Six of Cups, this is definitely here someone na magpo-provide talaga sa'yo rito ng reciprocity at equality. So, nakita ko dito na kung sino man tong tao na to, no, magiging mapagbigay siya sa'yo. Oras, panahon, pagmamahal. Walang talo dito. I'm seeing you winning right here, Aquarius. Yan, no? Pero ang pinaka-plakak talaga, pera mo is paangat nun. Taray! Hashtag Team Payaman yarn. So, i-claim nyo na to mga babes Aquarius na dahil alam ko na matagal mo na tong hinahangad, no? Deep down sa yung puso right here. So, maraming salamat Aquarius sa patuloy na pagtitiwala, no? Lahat ng mga pangarap ay mabibigyan ng katuparan, no? Basta magpatuloy ka sa paniwala na yan ay para sa iyo, no? At huwag kang kumawala doon sa pag-asa, no? Na balang araw mabibigyan rin ito ng katuparan at ito ay matatanggap mo. So, thank you so much. Ayan na nga, di ba? So, maraming salamat, Aquarius. Thank you so much, Sarang Hero Love and Light. Annyeong!